every one of us is always full of anxieties due to our this material existence. Asadgraha. It is our existence is in the environment or atmosphere of non-existence. But actually, we are not non-existent. Our existence is eternal. But somewhere or other, we are put into this asat. Asat means which does not exist. Now, out of so many human beings who are actually inquiring about his position as to what he is, why he is put into this awkward position of suffering, unless one is attuned to this position, that why I am suffering. I do not want all these sufferings. I have tried to make a solution of all these suffering, but I have failed. Unless one is in that position, he is not to be considered a perfect human being. Humanity begins when this sort of inquiries are awakened in one's mind. In the Brahma Sutra, this inquiry is called Brahma Jigyasa, Athatu Brahma Jigyasa. And every activity of a human being is to be considered a failure without having this inquiry in his mind. So, persons who have awakened this inquiry into his mind as to what I am, why I am suffering, where from I have come, or where I shall go after death. When these inquiries come and have come in the mind of a sane human being, then he is practically the right student for understanding Bhagavad Gita. And he must be Sadhava. Sadhava, he must have a respect, one respect in the Supreme Personality of God. Such a person, as the ideal person was Arjuna, Lord Krishna, he descends, Jada Jada hi dharma suglani bhavut, just to establish the real purpose of life. When man forgets the real purpose of life, the mission of human form of life, then it is called dharma saglani, the disturbance of the occupation of human being. So, in that circumstances, out of many human beings who awakens, one who awakens the spirit of understanding his position, for him, this Bhagavad Gita, we are just like swallowed by the tigress of nescience, and Lord being causelessly merciful upon the living entities, especially for the human being, he spoke Bhagavad Gita, making his friend Arjuna as the student. Arjuna was certainly being an associate of Lord Krishna. He was amongst all ignorance, but still, but Arjuna was put into ignorance in the battlefield of Kurukshetra just to question about the problems of life to the Supreme Lord, so that the Lord can explain them for the benefit of future generation of human beings to chalk out the plan of his life and acts in that way so that his life, his mission of human life can be perfect.
Tava kripa hale mor katha shuda habe shuniha sabara shoka duka je guchi bhe nachao prabhu nachao se